Alright, moving on to mini section 4. Let me just quickly show you a preview here. So this was center 3, 4 goes A, 2, 3, A, boom, throw. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, let me explain. Now the first move here, I want you to think of it like this. Boom, 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 alright? What I want you to do is sort of lift this right leg more than you do with your with your left. Your left is sort of just stepping, alright? What I want you to do is go whoop, 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 alright? Notice how my hip is sort of moving in a circle. Now you can do it more subtle if you want, or you can exaggerate. A, A, A. Or you can just, do step, 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 step. So we want to do 3 of those. So 1, 2, 3, and then on the 4th we want to jump out like that. Okay, my arm just go boom, and then I will just jump on both feet flat foot. Alright, now from here I want to reach up both arms, and then I want to bring it down here because I'm prepping to swipe or throw to my left, and then I want to lean the opposite way. Alright, so I go get away. So let me just recap here. So mini section 4 is you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I sort of also explained the timing there. So timing wise, you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, time to practice. We're gonna start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright guys, we're now at the last mini section. Hang in there. So the last mini section right after we've said, well, we're going to lean here. We want to go, let me just show you a quick preview. We want to go whoop, whoop, A, and A, 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 and A, A, A. Alright, time to break it down. So what you want to do, lean here, this was in the 4. So 5 starts with you saying right arm to the right side, left arm to the left side, pretty easy. And then you want to swing your right and then go boom. Alright, now from here, the move I want to do is you want to bring this one up and say jump and jump and jump, jump. Alright, that's basically it. And then we're gonna put some flavor to it because this is like the stiff version. The more smooth version is that you sort of lean to the back and you sort of have a tiny bit of weight in it. But as a start, just do small, 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 okay? And you sort of wanna go this way because then we're gonna do it to the other side as well. Basically the opposite, you just wanna, jump on this back leg here, whoop, 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 whoop. So when I did it from here, I'm jumping on my right back leg here, whoop, 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 whoop. Now I wanna jump on my left back leg, whoop, 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 whoop. So let me just recap here. What I'm gonna do is I wanna start here where I'm leaning, and then I wanna say right, left, throw your right, and then prep, jump, jump, 3, 4, and now 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, this part is tricky, so take your time, okay? You know what, I might actually do a detailed tutorial on how to do this move here. Let me know if you're struggling with this move and you need a detailed tutorial, let me know in the comments, okay? Now, let's start by practicing. We're gonna start slow and then we're gonna speed up, okay? Now, let me explain the counts for mini section 5. So, this was in the 4. Now on 4, if you remember, we ended on 6. Now, what you wanna do in mini section 5 is go 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then switch 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me just show you again. So a bit faster. I'm doing 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, time to practice. From here, I'm gonna count 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's try that. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again. So 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, time to do it all the way from the tip to top, you know, the full dance. So I'm just gonna do a quick recap, run through, whatever you wanna call it, and then we're gonna practice. So from the tip to top, we go reach, down, right, left, right. And I reach, down, left, right, left. Then I tap, tap, in, back. Turn, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step. Tap, and again, tap, tap. In, back, turn, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, reach, throw, right, left, right, and hop, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the counts, here you go. From the tip to the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, time to practice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, now I just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast, okay? I'm just gonna do it one last time to the normal tempo. And if you feel like practicing to the music, I'll leave a link in the description where you can see me dance to the song, okay? Now, from the tip to the top, the normal tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, ha, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.